Step 1. Measure the height of the wall to determine what length sheets are required. When installing the sheet to the underside of the ceiling or cornice, it is critical we leave a 10mm gap between the floor and the bottom of the sheet to allow for expansion. Step 2. Measure the length of the wall to determine how many sheets you require. Step 3. Cut the number of sheets you require to the length as determined in Step 1. Step 4. Locate the framework in the wall, as these will be used for fixing points. Step 5. Apply beads of Intrim's Intense Hold adhesive across the back of the sheet at approximately 300mm spacings. Step 6. Place 10mm packers on the floor. Then install the first sheet by sitting it on the packers, pushing the sheet sideways into the corner. Step 7. Use the spirit level to ensure the sheet is straight. Step 8. Level the sheet with packers and nail or screw fix in place. Apply pressure over the surface of the sheet to make sure that it is adhered firmly to the existing wall surface. Step 9. Check the plastic tongue is in place on the first sheet installed. These tongues are interchangeable if required. Step 10. Follow steps 5 to 8 to install the following full sheets. Step 11. Measure width of the last sheet, allowing 5mm in the corner for expansion. Step 12. Cut to width and install as per previous sheets. Step 13. Measure the width of the next sheet from the internal to external corner, allowing for a mitre join on the external corner, making sure the V-join does not land on the external corner join. Step 14. Cut to width with mitre on external corner. Step 15. Glue and fix in position as per previous instructions. Step 16. Measure width of the joining corner sheet. Complete a mitre cut on the external corner. If you have an internal corner next, remember to allow 5mm for expansion. Step 17. Glue the external corner with PVA wood glue and install sheet as per previous instructions. Step 18. Fix and nail in place including external corner. Step 19. Sand corner to remove sharp edge. Step 20. Fill and sand all nail holes ready for painting.